Hey guys, Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Tutor Pratik. Today we are starting new topic in our YouTube channel. We are going to learn web designing full course. As a startup, we are starting today the concept and introduction about web designing. Before starting this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and share and like the video. Now let's start today's video. Introduction to web designing. Web design is the process of creating websites. It encompasses several different aspects, including web page layout, content production, and graphic design. Websites are created using a markup language called HTML. Web designers build web pages using HTML tags that defines the content and metadata of each page. Concept of web page. First of all, let's have a concept about web page and website. Web page is a single page layout of any website. As in website, we have several web pages. Each pages have different views. Just for example, in the website thepratik.com.np, we have 4 files, and each files are as web page. And concept of website is a collection of web pages. Just we can compare website as a folder which contains several files, and each files can be compared as a web pages. How to design web pages? Some web designers prefer to hand code pages typing HTML and CSS from scratch. Most of the designers use some text editor softwares to type manually HTML and CSS codes to design web pages. HTML and CSS is the basic structure of any web design, while someone uses WYSI/WYG editor like Adobe Dreamweaver. WYSI/WYG stands for what you see is what you get. Softwares like Adobe Dreamweaver auto-generates HTML and CSS codes, just we design web pages graphically. This type of editors provides a visual interface for designing the web page layouts, and the software automatically generates the corresponding HTML and CSS codes. Content Management System (CMS). Another most popular way to design websites is with a content management system like WordPress or Joomla. These times, most of the bloggers use these CMS softwares like WordPress, Joomla, or a Blogger to make their websites. These services provided different website templates that can be used as a starting point for a new website. This is the easiest way if you want to create some blog and you don't know any idea about web designing. Then this content management system CMS will be the best idea for you. You can just install the CMS in your system and choose the templates what you like. Then your website will be ready in few seconds. As we are learning web designing, we also need some graphic designing skills. While HTML and CSS are used to design the look and feel of a website, images must be created separately. So for the images, videos, and extra features, we need third-party softwares. Some graphics programs like Adobe Photoshop even includes a Save for Web option that provides an easy way to export images in a format optimized for web publishing. What we learn in web designing. In our YouTube channel, we are going to learn HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript and jQuery. These are the most popular and latest courses of web design. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. We'll come back again with new videos. Take care. Goodbye.